People don't actually want help, they want validation. They want you to agree with them that life is not fair, that they're the victim, that nothing's ever their fault. People complain about the same problem over and over, so you offer a solution. Hey, have you tried this? Nah, that doesn't work for me. Hey, maybe you could, you just don't understand the situation. Every solution gets rejected, every suggestion gets shut down. Fixing the problem means losing the attention the problem brings them. Most people make their problems their identity.
Kaya pansinin nyo, when it comes to handling mental health issues, lalo na sa mga newer generations ngayon, yung pag-handle or yung gusto nilang pag-handle ng mental health issues nila is that other people should be understanding them. Excuse sila doon sa mga actions na gagawin nilang hindi maganda kasi nga may pinagdadaanan sila. May mental health issue sila. Ngayon, pwede mong palagpasin 1, 2 beses, so on and so forth. You are going to comfort them. But that comfort that you are going to bring them doesn't last that long because you are trying to fill an empty hole inside them. So what you're going to do, you're going to suggest a solution. Kasi dalawa lang naman yan. Either, pag may lumapit sa yung tao, you are going to give them comfort or solution. And most of the people right now are trying to go for the comfort, but never the solution. Now, pag nagbigay ka ng solusyon, ang gagawin na nila, you don't understand me. They're not going to go away or try to do something to solve kung ano man yung problema nila. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan nila. Kung ano man yung source ng mental health issue nila. Bakit? It's because doon sa comfort, nagkakaroon sila ng patuloy na source ng tulong, ng benefit, ng comfort na binibigay ng mga taong nakapaligid sa kanila. But like what I always say, those people that you are getting comfort from, they have their own battles. And darating yung time na mapupundi sila kabibigay ng comfort sa'yo because comfort has a price too. Ngayon, pag dumating yung oras na napundi sila at hindi ka na nila binigyan ng comfort, anong gagawin mo? You are going to demonize the person who is now offering you a solution. Kasi nga, hindi na siya nag-a-agree sa'yo na dapat puro comfort lang yung isaksak mo sa kukote mo at wag mo nang gawan ng paraan yung pinoproblema mo.
You solve their problems and their identity goes with it. So they'll keep complaining, they'll keep asking for advice that they'll never take. Some people are addicted to their problems because without them, who would they be?
Yung pagiging mahina ng isang tao, yung source ng benefit na nakukuha nila sa pang-araw-araw. Iniintindi ka, inaalalayan ka, inaalagaan ka, chini-cheer ka, nung mga taong may pinagdadaanan din sa buhay. 'Di ba? Tapos, pag sinabihan mo, hey, you need to do something about your problem. At pag nagbigay ka ng solusyon, ikaw pa masama. Ikaw pa yung sasabihin, you don't understand me. You don't know how it is to be in my position. On the contrary, we do. We just happen to try to do something about the problem that we are experiencing. And we are trying to share. We are trying to get you out of that weak state of yours by asking you to try to do something aside from comforting yourself, aside from being weak, aside from embracing yung mental health issues mo. Yes, the world is cruel, but it does not change the fact that you need to do something about it. Because no one is going to be able to comfort you and plug a hole dyan sa buhay mo. Because only you and you alone can make you grow out of that weak version of yourself. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.